Huh, that's why I say Bobad. Quick, what does it say? Bobad what? What does that say? Bobad what? How do I pronounce this word? Is it really... Oh, it means black and check. Okay. Wait, this... Minus this Bulbard beer, this kind of looks like my fridge. Ready? This is jam. This is a half-eaten sweet potato. This is a accurate to life size of the pickle jar that I have. This is ground meat. I don't know what this is. I don't know what that is. But like, not the roach. Not the roach. The jam and the sweet potato and the pickle is accurate though.